Hey guys, welcome back. So for the next 3 days I will be uploading 3 different makeup looks that I will create using this amazing eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, the chocolate gold. And I guess it's going to be like a mini series. This is something that I like to do on my channel. But this time it's going to be like very short. Instead of 5 or 7 days, there are going to be only 3 days. So today I will show you how you can create this eye makeup look using this Too Faced palette, chocolate gold. So if you want to see how you can create this beautiful gold eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. So firstly I will go with some eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this one by Elf Cosmetics, and this is in beige, and I'm going all over my eyelid and on my brow bone, since this is where I will go as well with some eyeshadow. And this formula of the primer, it's a little bit dry. You can always make it work if you take some of that out and warm it, maybe just between your fingers, but if you're someone like me that wants to get the job done really quick, then just go directly with a concealer brush, and I'm using this one by Real Techniques. I like it because the bristles are short but very thick, and it really works with this kind of dry products. So I'm blending that out just like this, and that's good. So now from the Too Faced chocolate gold palette, I will take Rolling in Dough, and I will apply it directly to my eyelid. Hello. And I will go right to my brow bone as well. So the next shade that I want to take, it's Love and Cocoa. This is a beautiful brown shimmery shade, and I am actually using a flat brush to apply this one. And I want to go into my crease and then smudge it here into the lower lash line. So this is such a beautiful brown color. As always, take your time to work with the eyeshadows. You really need to blend them, so take as much time as you need. So now here I'm gonna do like a V shape, and with a clean brush I'll just go here to the edges and really soften it. Obviously, if you want to make it more visible, more dramatic, you know, you can always go with more pigment. And actually this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go a little bit more. Just can't get enough of how beautiful this palette is. It's actually really a shame that I haven't been using it so much, because you can do like so many looks with it. Okay, so now I'm going again back with the other brush, and again blending the edges. And I am taking again the same shade, and I am going on the lower lashes. Now there's some fallout, sadly, but it's not like the end of the world. But if you're someone that bothers you when you get like this fallout from some eyeshadow colors, then there are like 3 things that you can do. The first one will be to start off by making your eye makeup first, and then just clean everything and do your base. The second will be to apply this eye, I don't know the name, I'll just have it on screen. I just have to look that up. I can't remember the name right now. And the third option will be to do your base and then apply like lots and lots of translucent powder here on the under eye area, like actually almost on this area, and then just take a big fluffy brush, something like this. When you're done with your eye makeup, just swab it off and you're done, and you will have like the perfect you know, base with no fallout whatsoever. But obviously I'm sometimes a little bit lazy, so like now for example, then I've done my base first and then my eyes, and I do have a little bit of fallout. Like I said, it's not that big of a deal, I can live with it, that's fine by me. Okay, so now the last eyeshadow that I want to use is this gorgeous gold shimmer color. This is the chocolate gold from the palette, and I'm actually using my finger to apply it, and just look how amazing it is. It's just beautiful, very pigmented color, and I will apply it all over my eyelid actually. Just look at this. I mean, this is crazy. I just love this color. My gosh, so pretty. Again, I am taking my time to apply it because I want to be like really precise and to make it look flawless. You can always use a brush if you want, and you can spray some Fix Plus on your brush and then go with this metallic kind of shimmery color. It will help to grab the pigment a lot easier, and it will be like very pigmented at the same time. But usually when it comes to these colors, I like to go with my finger. I don't know why, but I have a lot more control, and in my opinion it makes it look even more, you know, really vibrant. I don't know. And now I will take a brush and take some of this gold color and work here on the outer corner of my eye, and just again go all over. Just make sure that it is even. Okay, so now I will go again with the same gold color on my lower lashes. Okay, so now I'll just go and finish off the other eye and apply some mascara, some false lashes, which I hate them, but I will do it just to make a beautiful dramatic eye makeup look, and I'll be right back. So I think this is today's makeup look. So the only thing that I've changed was to actually kind of diffuse this brown color a little bit towards my brow bone. I just wanted to make it a little bit more dramatic, but other than that, I've changed nothing at all. I just added mascara and some false lashes. Now I've combined this eye makeup with a nude lip, and the lipstick that I used was this one by, I don't know, Alverde. It's like a slightly brownish nude shade. It's just wonderful. I think it goes perfectly with the eye makeup that I've created today. So you guys just let me know in the comments below if you like today's makeup look, and I guess I will see you tomorrow with second part of this mini series. Bye.